Let's talk about something you look through every single day but probably never give a second thought to: your car windows. Turns out they're not just pieces of glass. Oh no, they're a super critical part of your car's safety system, and you're about to find out exactly why. So let me ask you, you roll them down, you look through them, but how much do you really know about the glass that's literally surrounding you on every drive? Well, as we're about to find out, what you don't know could actually be pretty dangerous. Let's get into it. You see, the most important thing to get your head around is this. Your car windows are an active safety system. They're not just sitting there to keep the rain out. They're engineered to do so much more, protecting you from the sun, keeping the car's frame strong, and they can even be an emergency exit. And that brings us right to our first huge myth: sun protection. We all kind of feel like we're in a little bubble, safe from the sun when we're in our cars. But are you really as protected as you think you are? The answer might just shock you. Okay, so this is where it gets really interesting. It all comes down to the different types of glass in your car. Up front, your windshield is what's called laminated glass. Think of it like a glass sandwich with a tough plastic layer in the middle. This thing is a beast at blocking UV rays, but your side and rear windows, totally different story. They're usually tempered glass, just a single hardened layer. It's designed to shatter into tiny, safer pieces in a crash, which is great, but it's not so great at blocking a certain kind of UV ray. And we are talking about UV rays. Now, pretty much all car glass blocks UVB rays. Those are the ones that cause a nasty sunburn. But it's the sneaky UVA rays that pour right through your side windows. And these are the ones linked to long-term skin damage and aging. You know that arm you always have resting on the windowsill on a sunny day? Yeah, it's getting a much bigger dose of UVA than you realize. And just look at this chart. The difference is, well, it's huge. Your windshield blocks almost everything, letting only about 5% of UVA rays through. But your side windows? A whopping 70% can get through. It's a massive difference, and it's why you can't just rely on the windshield to protect you. So what's the fix? Well, it's window tinting. A good quality tint can block up to 99% of all UV rays, both UVA and UVB. Plus, it makes your ride way more comfortable by cutting down on heat and glare. And there's a cool security benefit too. It makes it harder for thieves to see what you've got inside, and can even help hold the glass together if it shatters. But, and this is a huge but, before you run out and get your windows tinted, you have to listen to this. This is the most important part. You absolutely must check your local laws on tint darkness. Why? It's not just about getting a ticket. If your tint is illegal and you get into an accident, your car insurance company could use that as a reason to invalidate your entire policy. Seriously, that's a financial nightmare you do not want to risk. All right, let's switch gears and talk about damage. We've all gotten that little chip in the windshield from a rock on the highway. It's so easy to just say, it's tiny, I'll deal with it later. But that little chip, it's a way bigger deal than you think. And here's why. That windshield is not just a window, it is a critical part of your car's structure. I mean, it literally helps hold the roof up and keeps the cabin from crushing in if you're ever in a rollover crash. So any crack, no matter how small, weakens that entire safety system. So when you're driving around with a cracked windshield, you're really dealing with three big risks at once. The obvious one, of course, is that it messes with your vision. The second and scarier one is that your car's structural safety is compromised. And number three, yeah, you could be breaking the law and end up with fines or even fail a safety inspection. Okay, now for a problem that drives everyone crazy: a foggy windshield. We've all done it, right? Frantically wiping it with our sleeve, which is not only useless, but also super dangerous. Well, there is a simple and honestly, a kind of weird trick to clear it up in seconds. Here it is. And I know it sounds completely backward, especially on a freezing cold morning, but you need to turn your AC on and crank it to cold. The reason is simple. An air conditioner is basically a dehumidifier. It pulls moisture out of the air. That super dry air hits your foggy windshield and sucks the condensation right off of it. It works like magic. And hey, here's a little pro tip for you. You know that gross, hazy film that builds up on the inside of your windshield over time? That's from the plastics in your car's interior, and moisture just loves to stick to it. If you keep the inside of your windshield sparkling clean, you give that fog way less to grab onto in the first place. Phew. Okay, we have covered a lot. So let's boil it all down into a quick and easy safety checklist. Just a few things to keep in your head to make sure your windows are always working for you. So here are the big things to remember. Number 1, you get way more sun exposure from your side windows than your windshield. Number 2, always check the tinting laws in your area so you don't risk your insurance. 3, that tiny windshield chip is a big deal. Get it fixed right away. And finally, 4, to fight fog, use cold AC, not your hand.
So, the next time you hop in your car, take another look at that glass around you. It's a pretty amazing piece of technology hiding in plain sight. And it kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other parts of your car are hiding secrets you haven't even thought to look for yet?
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.